Hey everybody, it's Miss Success Jewelry again. This is the fifth video. A lot of jewelry in the treasury box. They got other jewelry, a little 4-piece set that run $5 to $4. The necklace. These are bracelets. They $5. There, see, that's not no $85. Get it on camera. Ow. These right here are $2. There's two of them left. So that's $2. This right here $2. This right here is $6.
You just ain't want me to look at these sides.
These $2. Right here $4. These are adjustable rings. This right here is $2. These are adjustable rings. This right here is $5. You better get him before he fall. $5. This right here don't supposed to be on this stack, but this right here is $6. $5. This right here is $5. Right here $4. It's $4. This $3. These right here $2. Right here is $4. Right here is $2. This right here is $5. See, $5. This right here, $4. But the $4 ones, they're gonna be $3. Hey, get my necklace.
Don't shoot it, Mom.
This necklace right here is $2.
We gotta get the buckets and the paint.
I have one princess left. So this right here is $2. Can you see it? I don't have but one necklace left. And a Lucky Charm necklace. It's $3. This right here is $6. Looks like I touched everything. These are some of the necklace that we have. $5. This right here, this black container right here called my treasure box jewelry. I normally have a set to go with a set that somebody buying. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel, Miss Success Jewelry and Accessories. I'm on Facebook also. And I'm on Instagram also. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tasha Best. And I thank you all. Oh, this set right here is $5. I don't know if you got these or not. These $2 right here. It's a necklace set too. Thank you.